Okay guys, so I'm gonna see just to make sure. I know it's a head gasket, but I'm gonna do the proper steps to kind of see and confirm.
Just determined that was a lie.
Which I'm gonna do this test here. I think I put too much. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the car now. And if this turns greenish or yellow, it's definitely a head gasket.